going on, guys, and welcome back to today's video. So today's video, yep, it's time to take old Duramax over there. We're gonna get it all stickered up, gonna get it looking good, and we might do some other stuff. We're not sure yet, depending on how it looks, what it's gonna look like. If I like it and it looks clean, you know, might have some changes going on with her, but we don't know yet. I don't want to say anything yet, can't promise you anything yet, but let's start her up, let her warm up, and head over. Oh, I love that sound. And you guys keep asking me for river vlogs. Yes, stay tuned. We'll be heading to the river soon. Not just yet, I'm just trying to get a bunch of stuff done. But we got the boat ready. Just got to check all the fluids, look everything over, and she'll be ready to go. Look at that. And you guys say Priuses are slow. Really? Does that look slow? That is a special edition Prius right there. Look at that. Ferrari edition. I would try to stay away from this Prius right here. And if you guys see it, you better just turn your head and drive on away. What's going on?
What's up, man? How are you?
How you guys doing?
Doing good. How are you?
You want me to pull in?
Yeah.
All right. All right, guys, we have arrived. Hey, what's going on? Where's everybody? What's going on, man? How you doing? Where's Steve?
He should be here shortly. He's still sleeping.
Oh, gee. Listen, when I left last night at 7 o'clock, you were still in here. Did you ever leave, or have you been here the whole time?
I came and fixed this, and I just left.
I saw you last night. You were fixing this, doing the whole car, but did you ever leave?
No, I left, yeah.
Oh, you did leave, okay.
Like 45 minutes after you guys.
Oh, okay, I didn't know. I saw you had the hookah here, so I don't know if you slept here or if you were just been here all night doing this.
Notice I sleep here.
Yeah. Damn, this thing's looking good. Wow.
Got the front done.
Yeah, I got the light. These are the ones that the guy brought back, got painted.
Yeah.
Woo. This thing is looking good. Wow. Whoa! It's nice to finally show up to work. Look at this guy. He rolls in. What time is it over here? 11 o'clock. And he's just rolling in now. You know, that's what's nice being the owner when you got your own shop. You just roll in here anytime you want. Have no worries in the world. You know, when you are the big boss like Steve over here, that's it. He comes and goes as he pleases. How you doing, sir? Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How are you? What's
Good
going
morning.
on?
How you doing, brother?
Good, good. Everybody was wondering in the vlog where Steve was. Everybody said he was still sleeping.
I had a little late start this morning.
All right. Hey, you know that's the plus part about being the owner. You know.
We have late nights. So.
Yeah.
We balance out.
You were here until like 8 last night. This guy never left. He's still here.
I got here. He's still here.
Yeah, he slept here.
Did I hook up with you to sleep or what?
So what are you doing here?
I'm laminating the carbon. That's what Steve said yesterday. Instead of like 2 to 3 years, it gives it
Yeah.
5 to 7 years. So I already rolled it up. This sticky material gets laminated. This machine pushes it together.
Damn.
All does it by itself.
Oh, that's it? You don't gotta sit and
I
do
gotta
it?
sit and watch it, make sure it doesn't do anything crazy.
Oh,
Come
okay.
see on this side, it's already rolling it up. Right there. It's
Oh
all
wow!
shiny.
Oh wow! Yeah, look at that. Jeez, that's pretty badass. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. There you go. So it goes from just like that, huh? Dull to shiny.
So
Look at. Wow. That's crazy. I'm liking these. I'm liking these. Look at that. Look what they got playing here in the showroom. They got Eddie's Life. Don't forget, guys, if it's your first time in this channel, don't forget that right now, just stop what you're doing and click that subscribe button, and you can see amazing content just like this. Hey, how you doing, sir? Welcome to Bar. How can we help you today?
Thank you.
What do you need?
I want some of those Eddie Life stickers, man.
I got you. Whatever you need, man. I got no problem. I'm going to get about 400 for you made in the back right now. I got right away for you, sir.
Dude, thanks, man.
No problem. So guys, I don't know how, you know, D-Max Rhino, when he's at home and he sits here. Uh-oh, he's yelling over there. He's yelling at Hector. Uh-oh. Hector, you better not mess up, man. Steve's on a power trip right now. So, yeah, I don't know how D-Max Rhino sits here and does this all day, because I've done like this part, and sometimes I'm like pulling off the U and pulling off like the eyes coming apart. See, like this right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Here comes the U. Oh, okay, so far so good. All right, there we go. Oh wait, I gotta still pull off that center. Yeah, this is a pain in the butt. I gotta say, it's better off getting your stickers made. And if you guys keep DMing me and commenting, why didn't D-Max Rhino make my stickers? Well, just because, you know, my cousin Lou, Big Lou, Big Lou, we need you, Lou. So, as you guys know, Steve and my cousin Big Lou, everybody's saying, what the heck, why isn't D-Max Rhino making your stickers? Because he's got a sticker machine. Well, guys, because Steve and Big Lou over here, they own this facility, and, well, Big Lou, you know, he's giving me a very, very good price. Not saying I wouldn't pay Rhino, but, you know...
we have the big boy printer, too.
Yeah, I mean, I think D-Max Rhino's got a nice print. I don't know what kind he has, but... obviously, you know, he's taking care of me, so that's the only reason. Nothing against, you know, D-Max Rhino. He make my stickers, not a problem, but I just... Me and D-Max Rhino?
Yeah, a little problem.
We got a little beef going on right now. I can't say what's going on with me and D-Max Rhino, but, you know, stay tuned. You'll find out. Also, guys, quick little update on this. I just found out that Steve is actually going to be, might be selling this thing. He's debating. So if there's anybody out there, any Mitsubishi lovers out there, you know, I will put Steve's DM down in the description. You guys can DM him and see if you are interested in it, and he will tell you more about like pricing and all that stuff. But I don't know what it's going for. So if you guys are curious, DM him, and I guess we'll find out and see. Maybe he'll give you a good deal. Maybe you know, you'll be in the front page of Fast and Furious. You never know. But a little update on the Tesla. This thing is almost done. Damn, it's pretty much the whole thing is almost wrapped and yeah, ready to go. Look at that. This thing's amazing. It is you know, I know they said that Elon Musk, I believe, said that this was like his worst Tesla that he ever built. Hey! Excuse me, sir. We're checking on the stickers over here. We're just making sure Jimmy's okay. Jimmy, how's everything going over here, man? The Duramax is over here waiting for a sticker.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, how's everything going? Are we going good? Is everything okay?
For this startup.
Alright, I'll update you guys. He's making them for the Dirty Max right now. Here it is, guys. Now we have the second set being made here for old Dirty Max. This thing is so hot. I can't even stand here how hot this thing gets. It's just crazy. Stay tuned. I will show you how he puts it on the truck now. I know. How are you going to put this thing on the truck with that broken window? Or not broken, but you know, the separate. It's gonna be the little, you know, yeah, sliding window.
Steve's gonna take care of that.
Ah, okay. I'll say that's gonna take a specific skill to get that thing on there. Oh, look at you, Jimmy. That looks good, right? You are the man. You know, I don't care what Steve or Hector say about you. You did an excellent job. Thank you, sir. Much appreciated. I can't wait to see how that looks. I will show you guys, see how it looks. And a lot of you guys are DMing me for these stickers. I will just give me a little bit. I'll have them ready for you guys here shortly. I got some being made, but I will send them out for you guys. Also, guys, stay tuned. I've brought my generator here. This is the one that we use for the desert, Thunderbolt races, and you know, just whenever we need it. I'm going to actually have Steve. He's going to get it wrapped for me. We're debating on doing like a digital camo, but the snow one. So on my phone here, I love the snow camo. It's my favorite. But I was thinking about doing this same thing, but digital, kind of like how this is on my generator. So let me know. Comment down below if you guys like the camo better or the digital camo better. Look at those cuts. You're like a professional, my man. Have you done this before?
I've been here for a couple of years. You know?
Oh, okay. All right. So it's not your first day. Here it is, guys. He's sticking it on, I think. Man, that's gonna look good. Look at Jimmy over here with Peter's Golden Bloom. Damn, Pete, these things are looking good, man. Woo!
There's a little Planko machine.
Is it what?
For the Planko game they have. I got one of the cups.
Oh, is that what it's for?
Yeah.
What's it called? Planko?
Planko?
Planko. Okay.
You drop the thing and,
yeah, I don't know. I've never played it, but all I see here is we got some more stickers being made here for you guys. Woo! Look at that. And if you guys are interested in these stickers, comment down below, or you can DM me at Duramax King 2500. You will see the link pop up right there for you guys. Oh, look at that. Jeez, that's just a beautiful thing right there. Look at that, guys. Such a beautiful sight to look at. Steve, you guys did an amazing job again, my friend. Jimmy, you did an excellent job watching that printer cut these things, man. It couldn't have cut without you. Alright, guys, we finally got old Dirty Max back in the garage where she can stay nice and safe and clean. But man, I gotta say, that looks good. That looks very good. And you guys are DMing about the boat vlogs and commenting on the boat vlogs. Yes, the boat vlogs will be coming. I just gotta do some stuff. Actually, you wanna know the worst? You wanna know one thing that I hate about these boats? Let me get up here real quick. So, these things, well, as you guys know, this thing has been sitting for a while. Whoa, almost fall over there. And here's the worst part. The batteries are no good. Even though I turned off the main power source here, I went to go start it and the battery sounded weak. Well, you don't want to know the worst part? I gotta get my ass in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I gotta change out these nasty old batteries. I'm gonna change them anyways. Now, I've always put them on a tender here, but I figure, let me just kill the main power. It's right here, and hope that, you know, these things do good for me and last. Well, they didn't. I don't know what year they are. I forgot. I gotta check and see, but I gotta get in there, replace these things, and well, that's not gonna be fun. It won't be fun at all. So that's one thing about these boats, man. They're work, but you know, knock on wood, this boat is treating me good. Hasn't given me any problems. And I finally fixed the stereo in this thing. Yep, she's an old girl. She was not working, but now she is. So we got the amp working, got the speakers working. I switched out all of the lights up there with LEDs. Let's go here. All right, I'll show you guys right here. You see here? Bam, LED there. So these are all like orange, like collagen, the ugly looking lights. Switched out those. These right here, all LED, and at night when we're coming back or coming off the sandbar, wherever we're at, these things are pretty dang bright. I mean, right now, you know, my lights are on in the garage, it's bright in here, and you can see them. At night, it lights up this whole boat. And some of you guys comment also on what wax and what product I use to clean the boat. Everything I use with my truck, the boat, Hellcat, Viper, everything is all Adams product. The wax that I use only one wax. I will show you guys over here. This wax, by far, I don't know what it is, but this wax, literally, whatever you put, it's weird. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but if anytime you use this wax, whatever you put on it just makes it pop. And I'm talking like, it gives it the ultimate shine. It's incredible. It is right here, the Adams, no, this is the Patriot. It's going to be this one right here, the Americana wax. This wax right here is incredible. If you guys buy this, I promise you will not be unhappy with this wax. I mean, you put on anything and you'll notice a big difference right away. And stay tuned also, I ordered some new Adams products. Adams came out, I guess, with a spray wax now. You guys know I am a huge Lucas spray wax, but this Adam wax I heard is pretty incredible and works really good. So stay tuned for that. If you guys want to update on that, I will update you and let you know how that wax works out. But there you have it, guys. You have seen the stickers. They are finally done. Duramax got all wrapped up, stickered up, and she's good to go now. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.